In a stunning turn of events, an alleged video has surfaced online purportedly depicting none other than the upcoming Apple iPhone 17, just days shy of its grand reveal. This leak, which originated from a Chinese social media platform, Weibo, has sent shockwaves through the tech community, offering tantalizing glimpses of what could be the iPhone 17 Pro Max. The video, lasting a mere 10 seconds, showcases a sizable silver device being lifted from a lineup of similar units, revealing an expansive camera module that spans the width of the phone's upper section, alongside a revamped back panel with the iconic Apple logo at its heart. While the authenticity of the footage remains unverified, its contents suggest a radical departure from Apple's traditional design language. Should the video prove genuine, we might witness one of the most daring iPhone redesigns to date. Apple has remained mum on the matter, maintaining their usual veil of secrecy. However, the anticipation is building as invitations have been extended for the awe-dropping event scheduled at Apple Park, Cupertino, California, for Tuesday. This is where the curtain is expected to be raised on the iPhone 17 series. The leaked unit's camera module bears a striking resemblance to Google's Pixel series rather than any previous iPhone model. It houses what insiders claim to be 3 primary lenses arranged in a triangular formation, accompanied by additional smaller sensors. Leaked case images and accessory rumors corroborate the presence of this expansive rectangular camera bar, marking a significant shift from Apple's signature corner bump. Another intriguing detail is the large, tinted glass panel on the rear, framing the Apple logo and covering a substantial portion of the back. This aesthetic aligns with recent dummy hardware and accessory mock-ups, suggesting a potential design trend. The color options appear to include silver and black, with a third hue, reminiscent of bronze, spotted on adjacent packaging. Earlier whispers hinted at new Pro colors, such as orange and navy, although the definitive palette will remain uncertain until the official unveiling. Adding to the intrigue is the rumored iPhone 17 Air, touted as Apple's slimmest smartphone yet, potentially measuring around 5.5 millimeters thick. If this variant sees the light of day, it will likely feature a markedly distinct profile compared to the Pro models, necessitating compromises on battery life and camera capabilities. Price speculations indicate that Apple might keep most U.S. pricing stable, with a slight increase on the smaller Pro model in exchange for enhanced storage capacity. However, nothing is set in stone until CEO Tim Cook discloses the figures during the upcoming presentation. Beyond smartphones, the stage is set for the unveiling of new wearable technology. Rumors suggest the arrival of the Apple Watch Series 11 alongside possible updates to the Ultra and a refreshed SE model, incorporating health and battery improvements. It's worth noting that companies often employ decoy tactics during the development phase of high-profile products to thwart leaks and identify internal sources. Manufacturers may deliberately circulate dummy units with non-final designs to mislead competitors and leakers. As the dust settles and the truth unfolds, the world eagerly awaits Apple's official response.